Hello WTT travelers, this is a brief tutorial on pre-reservations. So first, what is a pre-reservation? This is a no-cost, no-obligation way for you to be among the first to be informed when a tour starts taking space reservations. Plus, it gives you a discount on the price of the tour. So if there's a WTT tour that is on our tours under construction list that you're really interested in taking, I highly recommend you getting on the pre-reservation list because these tours can fill up really fast and you don't want to miss your chance. So what you want to do in order to make a pre-reservation is to click on the tour calendar, and that will automatically open up to the scheduled journeys and adventures. These are the tours that are, as you can see, already taking space reservations. So you can go in and you can see the full information about the tour, the fully fleshed out itinerary, all of the pricing information, FAQs, etc. And then you can go in and make your space reservation request. However, we also have a section called Tours Under Construction, and these are the tours that are still in the planning stages for the following year. So we aren't making space reservations for these yet because they're still in the planning stages. However, we are taking pre-reservations. So let's look at this list and see what tour we are interested in taking for 2026. You can choose up to 5 tours to make pre-reservations for, and there's a lot to explore, so make sure to click through all of the tabs. But I'm going to go to the boutique solo tours, and let's think about this NYC Thanksgiving Day Parade tour. So I'm going to go through and read the overview and the tentative itinerary down here. This reminds us that this trip is still in the planning stages, but I love the sound of this tour, so I've decided I'm going to go ahead and make a pre-reservation. So in order to do that, we're clicking here, and that's going to open up to this form. Now, because I am logged in, you can see here on this link, I've already logged into my WTT because I'm a member, so it autofills my information. You do not have to be a member in order to make a pre-reservation, and you also don't have to be logged in. You'll just have to fill out your contact information in either of those cases. You can select whichever is relevant to you here, if you're a member or not. Click Next, and then this is going to open up to the list of your current pre-reservations. The most recent pre-reservation, that's this tour that we're in, is going to automatically list itself on the bottom spot. But if you decide that that is your number 1 tour, your number 2 tour, you can just switch around the ranking of your tours in order of which you're most interested in taking. Then click Next, and this is just going to give you a review of all the information you've filled out, and then just press once, and that's going to submit your pre-reservation. This is a confirmation just telling you yes, it went through, and then this is reminding you that we will notify you by email once the tour starts taking space reservations. So in that email, it's going to say, hey, you can go ahead and sign up for this tour. It's going to tell you what the discount amount is for this tour because you made a pre-reservation, and it's going to link you directly to the tour itself. You can also manage your pre-reservations by clicking this link here or going to Forms, and then manage your pre-reservations, and just fill in your information here. Unless you're already logged in, it will auto fill in it for you. Select the year that you would like to look at for your pre-reservations, and it will automatically bring up your pre-res list. Again, you can have up to 5 tours on your pre-reservation list, and if you decide there's another tour in Tours Under Construction that you'd rather have than one of your pre-selected tours, you can delete one. It'll ask if you want to remove. I say yes, and then you can go back and make more pre-reservations. All right, y'all, I hope that was helpful, and happy travels.